Let's check it out. Southwind number 3. Amazing courtyard. That's all yours, baby. Amazing fenced in courtyard, barbecue. Southwind number 3. Oh, wow. Wood floors, laminate. Oh, stainless appliances. Look at that. Wow, beautiful. What a big floor. 32 feet long living room, new LED. Slider. Look at that. Slider goes right out. Patio, garden. Wow. Look at that fenced in patio. Goes right out to the backyard, your own private backyard. Wow. Pocket door, master bedroom. Wow, backyard, closets, double closets, shower, nicely tiled. His and her closets, you got 2 closets in the master. 32-foot long living room, pass through to the kitchen. Tile in the shower, tub, second vanity, more closets, second bedroom, backyard, more closets,